Changing the currency in Splitwise is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, open the Splitwise app and navigate to the group or account for which you want to change the currency. First, tap on the group name or the three dots next to it, and select the Edit Group option from the drop-down menu. In the Edit Group page, scroll down to the Currency section. Here, you will see the current currency being used for the group. To change the currency, tap on the current currency and a list of available currencies will appear. Browse through the list and select the new currency you want to use. Once you have selected the new currency, tap on the Update button to save the changes. It is essential to note that changing the currency will not affect the existing expenses or balances in the group. However, it will change the currency used for new expenses and calculations. When changing the currency, consider the exchange rate and how it may impact the group's expenses and balances. It is also crucial to inform all group members of the currency change to avoid confusion. To minimize potential issues, it is recommended to change the currency when the group has no outstanding expenses or balances. Additionally, consider setting up a new group with the desired currency if you are creating a new expense tracking plan. By following these steps, you can easily change the currency in Splitwise and ensure that your expense tracking is accurate and up to date. Remember to review and adjust your group settings as needed to ensure smooth expense management.